Alright, what's up, y'all? It's time to open a motherfucking pack of Chaos Rising. I have my fat friend behind the camera here. He doesn't want to show his face because he's afraid of his pito. Alright? We're going to do half and halvesies on the packs. What is that? Still 16 apiece?
18.
18 apiece. Alright, let's hope for some hits. I'm going to go ahead and have you take what you want first, since you did the honors. Alright. And then I'll... Yeah. Sure. Fuck it. I'll go for the front. All right, we got one of these, and then I'll let y'all know if he gets any cool hits too. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. We got a fucking elephant. We got a wild foxy. We got a bitch. We got isopod. We got textbooks of some sort. We have marijuana plant. We have a demigod. We have a scary looking fucking thing. We have another demigod. Mega Floette, first pull. First pull? Okay. Hopefully that's some type of foreshadowing, right? Maybe we both get some amazing pulls. But yeah, Mega Floette, you guys. Can I please get a... Here, I'll... Racist. What, I have to use my own? Racist. Thank you. It's not even like I wouldn't use my own. That's just a hassle right now. All right, pack number dukes. All right, we got a pumpkin fag. We got a little marijuana seed. We got a marijuana junior. We got a junior senior. We got a demigod part 3. We got... What is it? Prison Tower. Hell yeah. My homie over here knows what I'm talking about. I got some walks. Ooh, I got a Ninetales monster from Naruto. Got a Ninetales Junior from Naruto. Got a motherfucking Beedrill EX. That's 2 pulls in a row, you guys. Hell yeah. Did you get anything good?
Yeah, this bubbly shit.
Okay. I mean, it was something. I mean, it's unfortunate because you don't actually play the game, but we'll see what's up. Let's pray for some good pulls from my friend, y'all. All right, we got a Mega Floette. You know what? I have so many of these. If you guys want to scan this, that's all you. All right. We got a Will Fishy. We got a squirrel. Got a squirrel part dukes. We got a little bitch. Got a senior bitch. We got a... What the fuck is that? We got a monster. We got a clay doll. Got an elephant again. Part dukes. We got a Mincini. We got a Xerneas. Shout out Xerneas. Xerneas is badass. And a basic energy. Any hits? Fuck. Alright. Let's hit pack 4. Sorry, I'm retarded. I can't count. Go ahead and do it again, just for those of you Rick and Morty fans out there. All right, we got a little fucking Ben 10 alien. We got another Ben 10 alien. We got a little foxy. We got a poop monster. We got another demigod. We got a little thief. We have bitch senior again. We have a little cum stain. We got a Ben 10 alien part dukes. Got a motherfucking Mega Greninja. Ayo, and we got it here. You mind if I show the art? We'll be real careful about it. We got a full art Sliggoo. So the senior cummies there. It's fucking beautiful here. I'll just put all of the hits together, and then we'll hit these with sleeves right after the pulls. And then we'll have another little thing here for bulk. Cool set so far. I like these other hits we're getting. I'd like to thank Taco Bell for the flatulence right now. Fucking can't stand y'all. Another little promo code. We got a little buggy. We got a bat. We got a little fucking sentient turd. We have a fuckable doll. We have a prison tower. We have a giant monster of some sort. We have the net that we catch retarded people in. We have, oh shit, we have a full art Tauros. Hold on, show that to y'all in a second. Got a little Chespin. I like Chespin, so I'm gonna spare him the goofy name. We got a little pesky bug. Hell yeah, we got a Trevenant. And we got an energy. And then here is the full art Tauros for you guys. I'm noticing a kind of a pattern here. I think he gets a lot of full arts, and I get a lot of the regular EXs, which is actually great because I can use them in decks and I don't have to feel bad about using it because this is a basic ass card. It's not worth a whole bunch of money. This one's got the Greninja on it, so let's hope for some real heat. It's feeling pretty warm too, which I don't know if that's a good sign. It's hot like my pito. Another little thingamabob for you guys. All right, we got a little cummies again. We got a ghost baby. We got a Naruto frog. We got a Stinky. We got books. We got weed plant guy. We got little bumpkin. We got turd in a box. We got a little elephant. I got a bubbly energy, which is hella cool. I'll probably use that for Greninja. And then we got another basic energy. Some fucking bulk. Maybe if I run out of toilet paper, I'll use these. Another promotional. Oh yeah. We got a little bat. We got a octopus. We got a rose toy. We got a Whittle Foxy. We got a Uno reverse card. We got a rock person. We got a green card. We got a Sudowoodo. We got a prison tower. And we got a magnetic energy. Shout out the energy. I'm noticing a really big energy reoccurring theme here. And we got on his end, what is this? Mega Dragalge. Hell yeah, son. I love it when the Pokemon looks like a little poopy turd. Speaking of which, Mr. Poopy Turd's right here. All right. We got a little weed seed. We got a scary plant. We got most Americans nowadays. We got a little warthog. We got this bitch. We got a garbage bag. We got a demigod again. Wow, I'm getting a lot of deoxyses. We got another little warthog. We got a little fucking worm. Goregeist EX. That's fucking sick, dude. Does 50 more damage for each of your bench Pokemon. That is the damage counters on it. That's not a very useful ability, but it's still pretty fucking cool. Well, hold on to that for the bulk pile. What is that? Like 4 hits and probably 7 packs or some shit we've opened so far? Something like that. Oh, wait, here. Yeah. We got a Chinchino EX. Hell yeah. I'm actually a little jealous, and I may try to trade you for that, because that's more... Hell no. But that's more my generation than your generation. Got another Mega Greninja, which hopefully is foreshadowing for something. Because I'd like the alternate art. I think it looks really, really fucking cool. We're going to set our intentions for this pack right now. If it's not the alternate art that I'm looking for, then I'm going to go commit acts of fucking terrorism. No, I'm kidding. I'm not going to do that. Let me not let the YouTube algorithm think I'm going to do that. There's that for you little chillins. All right, we got a Ice Guy. We got a Mincino. We got a little Bubby. We got a motherfucker. We got a piece of shit. We got a demigod. We got another green card. Hell yeah, we got an Ampharos. I like Ampharos. We got another little puppy bow. We got a Goodra. That's what you call the final evolved cummies. Should have put a disclaimer. This video is not for kids. If you're a child, get the fuck out of here. Boom. Oh, also, got another hit on the homie side. I mean, it's pretty cool. Tool Scrapper. I got a tool you can scrap with. Yummers. Another little promo card for y'all there, because I don't give a shit. Mincino. Got a little Cheppy. We got a Stinky. We got a Cummies. We got a Terrace. We got books. Some more books. The worst Christmas present to get. We got rocks. We got a little poopy doo-doo time. We got another little poopy doo-doo time. Hell yeah, we got a fucking Xerneas, which is badass. And then we got another stupid energy. So far, I'm digging the legendaries, even if they're not the super sick shit. And then we have another hit on his end. Who does this say? AZ's Tranquility. Looks like an old man. He looks like he's gonna shit his pants. Wish I was those pants. Why does it seem like there's less on my side?
I'm not going only one side.
Okay. How many have we opened?
This is number 11.
Okay. I'm gonna fucking take from the other side too, motherfucker. He thought he could trick me. Thought this was a game. This was a fucking game. Let me get a Pikachu Shardy. We got an Octopussy. We got a Kakuna-Lu. We got a Rigmarole. We got a little bug. We got a bug catcher. We got another demigod. We got a lot of Deoxyses. We got another prison tower. We got another jellyfish all reliable net. We got a Zerny, yes. We got a Keldeo. Cool looking, not that great abilities, whatever. Fuck that guy. All my homies hate that guy. All right, we got a little Naruto Froggy. We got a Marijuana Leaf. We got a Benny Blanco. We got a little bitch. We got another Deoxys. We got some dumb fucking books again. Got another weed plant. We got a fucking spooky little haunted doll. We got another spooky little haunted doll. Hell yeah, we got a Delphox. That's pretty hot. No. No pun intended. You get any pulls? No?
Negative.
Fucking trash. Promos right there. We got a Frogadier, Naruto Froggy. We got another worm. We got a dumb pufferfish. We got a little penis. We got old reliable again. We got another big boy. We got this random chick. We got this random chick. We got NG Floetti. We got a Nitro Energy. And a fucking basic energy. Oh boy. I do apologize for the lighting, y'all. It's partially my messed up ass phone. Alright, we got a Fennel. We got a fucking Kahlua. We got a little bunny rabbit. We got a sheepy. We got a green card. We got a demigod. We got old reliable. We got a nitro boy. Full art Watchog. Very nice. Very nice. We got a Delphox. And on his end, we got Sobalion. Sobalion is of the Sasuke tribe. Just for you Pokemon fans that don't know that. Don't go looking it up. It's only Elite Ball knowledge. Only those of us real fans would know. Shout out fucking scalpers. I hate you guys. Fuck your face. If you sneeze during this video, fuck you. All right, we got a little doggy. We got a Rose toy. We got a Froggy Doo. We got a robot. We got the same old ass motherfucker my homie got. We got a weed plant. We got another Naruto boy. We got a they them chick. We got a Celdio. And we got a Goober. And we got a Leaf. What a beautiful time to be alive, you guys. Got the Celdio and the Goober and the Leaf. You ready for the... Alright, bet. We're getting down to the last ones here, guys. Pray for my luck. Even though by the time you see this video, it'll inevitably too late. Did I say that right? I don't fucking know. Alright, we got another promo. We got a Wimpy Boodle. We got a Cheese Dick. We got a Fart Ass. Got a Fuck Face. We got a Bopal Snooter. We got a Uno Reverse card. We got my actual father. We have a sick ass full art clay doll here. Hell yeah. They're really getting into the niche ones with these newer sets. We got a Fishy. We got a green card. Oh shit, we got a Ho-Oh. What the fuck? That's pretty cool. Fucking, fuck yourself, you fucking hate you. Alright. Oh, okay, last two. Fuck it. Last two, you guys. If I don't get any hits, I'm gonna go cry in the bathroom, and it's gonna be all your fault. The only way you could possibly make me not go cry in the bathroom is if you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. All right, so here's this, right? We got a little bat. We got a Punka Bitch. We got a Weeb. We got a Braxton. We got a Braxton. We got a green card. We got a Tarino. We got a Angie Flory. We got a Stunky. Fucking full art Frogadier is sick. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Got a Nitro Energy. What do these do? As long as it's attached to a Pokemon, it provides fire energy. If this is discarded by an effect of an attack, this card is put into your hand. That's not bad. I like that. It's not like essential, but I fucks with it. Okay. Last pack, you guys. We did get a hit, so I won't detonate the bomb that I have set up, you know? But... Last promo. All right, we got a Washog. We got a Bat. We got a Little Bitch. We got a Rose Toy. We got that. We got Naruto guy. We got Emma Stone. We got another Naruto guy. We got a Molja. We got a Rock, not to be confused with Iran. We got Keldeo, and we got a fucking Energy. Last pack wasn't a hit. But anyway, thanks for joining me, motherfuckers. And join me next time when I queef on a cattle.